What's up, everybody? Checking out this AM 5116-B style line booster amp. I'm talking through a Sennheiser E935 right now. It's honestly just a plug and play sort of preamp. It's got about 36 dB of gain to it. I got this microphone is maxed out right now, and this will be the output attenuator. There's no pad or attenuator in the preamp. This is specifically just on the output after the module. So if I turn it down, nothing. And then back up, there's that. It's got a pretty flat frequency response. As far as like spectrum, you got your lows and you got your highs. You actually get a little bit of a boost around 47 hertz, and then another little boost around, I believe it's like 12K ish. So you can hear, I'll play a little bit of program material here, just drum kit, a Rhodes, and a like a drum machine, just kind of all playing at the same time. You can check it out. Thanks.